What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be buying every Ridstar mod off of Amazon Part 2. As y'all can see, I got a couple packages back here behind my bike. With that, let's get into it. So starting off, I had a couple parts already at my house. I got these handlebars, pretty heavy duty, nice, really good quality. And we got ODI grips, which I've been waiting to use for a little while. Now we're going to get into the package. Let's see what we got here. We got ODI grip donuts. And here we've got a full twist throttle because this is the original one that I had. I've had 3 now on my bike. This is the original one. And it's really snappy, and I love this one. It's better than the other ones I've had. And then the last thing we have is a new stem mount to fit the handlebars. By the way, it's storming right now, and I'm in my garage. So sorry about if you hear any lightning or rain, or not if you hear any thunder or rain. But yeah, first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and take off this grip off of the throttle. We're gonna go ahead and put the ODI grip on it. See how snappy that is though? That's amazing. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and test the throttle and see if it works. Because I saw that you have, or last time that I had this throttle, we had to switch around the red and the green wires. Alright, so we got the throttle hooked up. And now I'm going to test it to see if it'll work. So I got the battery on and everything. Go ahead and power this on. I didn't twist it. Power this on. Lift the back wheel up. See if this will work. Alright, it does not work. So we're going to have to solder the wire. Or we're going to have to cut the 2 red and green wires. And then solder them together. I'm going to have my dad do that because I don't really trust myself to do that. And I'll get back with y'all when that's done. Alright, so my dad switched the wires, cut them and then soldered everything. So now we got it powered on. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but it's working great. Now we're gonna wire everything up, put it on. We're not gonna put it on the handlebars yet, because we're about to change the handlebars. But I am gonna go ahead and change out this grip. Alright, so now that we have our ODI grip on and the grip donut, this feels amazing, and the grip, it just feels so nice. But before I wire everything up for the throttle, I'm gonna go ahead and take everything off the handlebars and then switch the handlebars out. Alright, I got the old handlebars off now. So now I'm gonna undo all the cable management, run the wire for the throttle through, and then redo all the cable management, and then, I'm gonna put the handlebars back on and then redo the cable management. Alright, we got everything back on the handlebars. Now we're gonna go do cable management. When I tell you that I love this, I really mean it. I've already gotten a little feel for it because I drove it over here to film this part of the video. But, dude, this is absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and turn it on and take it for a ride. Over here. With this throttle, the key is connected to the throttle. Dude, this throttle is so snappy. So we're just gonna turn it on, battery, and display. Alright. Now I'm probably not gonna be wheeling in this video. Because these are low bars and I still have to get kind of a feel for it. But you know what? I'll do 1. But it's probably gonna be really bad because I'm used to wheeling on higher bars. Oh, I don't like that. That feels bad. Yeah, I'll kind of have to get reused to it. Yeah, I'll have to relearn it. Yeah, I'm just doing feet drags right now. But yeah. But I think this looks way better. It's just harder to wheelie, which I'll learn. It's not that big of a deal. But yeah, with that, let's go take it for a ride. So I told y'all a couple weeks back that I was getting a sponsor bike called a Nat Key. I'm not ending up getting that because I didn't make the final cut for the sponsorship. But there's many more fish in the sea. And I'm sure that I'll get a sponsor pretty soon. But if you own a company or you work for a company, reach out to me. I got my email in my bio. You can watch all my videos. I think I make pretty good content, but you'll have to see for yourself. I'm loving this throttle though. It's really snappy and very responsive. And the key, like you don't have to have a whole nother like thing, so it doesn't take up too much space on my handlebars. My handlebars are looking the cleanest they ever have. It did take a while for me to get this done. Ooh, that was a bad voice crack. Took me a while to get this done because I was pretty busy today. Just doing a bunch of stuff here and there. But okay, so it's 8:03 right now. It's still pretty sunny though. Probably have about 20-30 minutes to record. But that should be enough time. And so, holy crap, that's a bad brain fart. My package got here at around like 1 o'clock today. And I worked on it for maybe 20 minutes or so, and then I had to go somewhere. My long form videos haven't been doing so great lately. So if y'all could like send this to a friend or something, it would help me out a ton. And the reason I'm doing this part 2 to the buying every Ridstar product on Amazon is because y'all loved the first one. It got 23,000 views, which is the most I've ever had like on my channel, for a long form at least. I'm gonna go over to a rich neighborhood and I'm gonna take some cinematic clips from my YouTube shorts because I'm trying to boost my subscriber count or whatever because it's been slowing down a lot and my shorts don't get many views either because I haven't posted on there in a while because I've been focused on long forms. But yeah, I'm trying to get back into doing both. And these grip donuts, they feel amazing on my hands. It makes riding way more comfortable because before, like I don't know if y'all can see on camera, but my thumbs, like at the joint right there, they get blisters from like rubbing on this rubber right here. And that, I'm sure that happens to a bunch of other people too. If you have any questions about where I got all this from and how much it costs or anything like that, just drop it down in the comments and I will let you know. I try and respond to every comment as fast as I can. Yeah, dude, these houses are so nice. Like, I would love to live in one of these houses. They're like, dude, they had an open house like a while back, and I went in there. Dude, it is like, it's crazy. Like, bro, this is, I don't even, like, I'm lost for words. These houses are just really nice. So, dude, that's probably one of my best shorts I've ever done. But now I'm gonna head up to my town's community center and I'm gonna do that shorts trend. It's like, I'm pretty sure Pt.2 came up with it. And it's like you put your bike, or you lean your bike on a pickleball net and then you like bounce the net while you're doing the short. So I'm gonna run up there, do that, and then like I'm gonna talk about a few more things about my bike and the channel on the way there. All right, so yesterday I bought a new Guts seat cover. It's a pretty unique one. I've only seen one person do it, and it's Rider Revolution. Huge shout out to him for the idea. But it's black sidewalls, black ribs, and then a camo center. I think that's gonna look amazing on my bike because I go hunting and stuff and all that. And I think it'll be a great addition to my bike. I also just got a new headlight that attaches to the controller. This one, like it attaches the same way as the stock headlight does, but it's a Baja light. Right now I have a Baja light, but I'm tired of changing out the batteries all the time. So just making the switch to the one that just attaches to the bike battery. Got to cross the street right here. This car is turning. All right. I'm gonna go straight actually. I just hope no cars come up on me because I'm like barely over the speed limit on this road. And if a cop sees me on this road, they're probably not gonna be too happy. So I gotta try and get to where I'm going pretty quick. It's just right up here though. I just gotta go through a trail to get there. But yeah, it's not far. What the heck is that? Some kind of tent, or that's an umbrella for like a porch chair or a porch table or whatever. Y'all probably don't even know what I'm talking about because I'm bad at explaining. Oh shit, I passed it. All right, it's over here. I could have sworn I didn't see it. I was like, what? Where the frick is it? Dude, these tires make such a cool sound when you lock them up. Hang on, listen real quick. I'm gonna do it right here, or right up here. It's so cool, dude. It sounds like it's a car drifting. I said that last video, but I had lost my voice, so I have no idea if y'all know what I have no idea if you understood what I said at all. Also, as you all saw in my last video, a fellow YouTuber named J Cool sent me out a t-shirt to show y'all on the channel. I definitely recommend go subscribing to him. I think he's opening up a website soon. So go subscribe to him, turn on bell notifications so that you know when the shirt or like the company drops. It's a really good shirt. I definitely think y'all should buy it. All right, it's right up here. I'm gonna have to go through the grass because I don't want to scare them. I actually got yelled at one time. Me and my buddy were riding up here and there was some dude who came out and started screaming at us for literally no reason. We drove past him. I honked my horn because like to let him know that we were coming up. And I guess he didn't hear us. Oh, dude, my back just got soaked. Yo, this is beautiful. But I'm getting off topic. So he was just yelling at us because he, and I quote, he said, "You buzzed me," which I have literally no idea what that means. I guess we just startled him, but yeah, he completely overreacted. All right, so there's a bunch of people at the court that I was gonna go to, but there is a second one, but I gotta drive through so many puddles to get there, bro. Like, it's so annoying. It poured earlier. Oh yeah, I told y'all that, because I was saying, like, don't mind the noise and all that. But yeah, we're just gonna run up here, do the short, and then keep riding a little bit before it gets dark. All right, now that we're done with that, we're just gonna probably just keep riding for a couple more minutes, and I'm gonna head home because it's starting to get pretty dark. But I have no idea if I did that right. But I hope it turns out at least half decent, you know? Whoa. I always forget that spot floods like really quick and really easy. If y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. Let me know if y'all have any suggestions for my bike or my videos in the future. And with that, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.